Hey Cosmo, you want to see something else cool? I'm gonna pick my first beet. Oh boy, I feel really good about it. Are you gonna eat it with me? You are? Dun, da, da, da. First beet, let's see how it is. Woo! Alright, what do you think? It's kind of little.
What?
I think we should eat it tonight.
Yeah.
It's a little guy. Let's do another one. Oh, it's also really tiny. Way tinier. Woody wants to join us. I'll help you. Right here. Uh-oh. Stay right there and say, look what we grew.
Look what we grew.
Wow. You want one?
Yeah. It has one candy.
That's what I'm saying, dude. That is what I'm saying. Okay. Which one do you want?
This big fat daddy.
I want this big fat daddy. So when you take it off, just slip, just very carefully. Yeah. You can just pop. Goes the strawberry. Wow. We'll split it, okay? Oh, it's so ripe, it's like soft. Wow. What should we do with these beets? I think we gotta roast them up. They're a little small. It is a very exciting day at the McNeely house today because I just got my first box of Wildgrain, which is these frozen bread, pastas, pastries, all these things that you pop in the oven and it makes it smell in your house like you've been baking all day. Let's see what we have. Oh. Croissants, sourdough, everything loaf. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to pronounce this one. It's a type of pasta. Wow. Slow fermented olive oil ciabatta. I am so excited. So let me tell you about Wildgrain. They're the first ever Bake from Frozen subscription box, and they have pastries and sourdough breads and pastas, and they just came out with their first fully plant-based box, and I'm so excited. And they are offering you an amazing deal. For buying your first box, you get $30 off your first box and free plant-based croissants for life. Such a good deal. I know I'm not alone in my love for baked goods. I love breads, I love pastries, and I love pastas, and I definitely bake. I love to bake. But do I have time to bake all the time? And have I really started my sourdough journey yet? No, I have not. I'm chasing after young kids and I'm running a business, and I still would love to fill my home with the smells of freshly baked breads and croissants, and that's where Wildgrain comes in. They're dedicated to handcrafted, high quality baked goods, and they use a slow fermentation process for their sourdoughs, so you get all the benefits of homemade sourdough without the hassle. You literally just take it from your freezer and pop it in the oven. Today we made the plant-based croissants and the sourdough everything loaf, and oh my gosh, it was such a treat, and it was so easy. Like, I couldn't believe how easy it was, and they tasted amazing. Everyone in the house commented on how delicious it smelled and how good it tasted. And another really cool thing about Wildgrain that I love is they partner with small bakeries around the US. So you know, when you get a box from Wildgrain, you're supporting small businesses and responsible sourcing, which I really, really appreciate. If you want to try out Wildgrain, just click my link below and you'll get $30 off your first box and free plant-based croissant for life. I hope you enjoy it as much as my family is.
Times and places are all in who you share them with, and it's life, and the point is enjoying who you share it with. Joy is who you share it with. And the weeks and the weekends are keeping close who you spend them with. And time, what you find is the time is who you spend it with.
Guys, listen, it's happening. I am finally throwing a Gilmore Girls themed party. It was my birthday this week, and I have been wanting to throw a Gilmore Girls themed party for years, and I've never just done it because like It just feels like a thing that you need an excuse to do, and my birthday is my excuse. So right now, I have, listen, it's happening tomorrow. I have almost no decor because of time, and also I don't know, I just don't have time for it. But I am going to make a Luke sign on this piece of cardboard. Wish me luck. I'm doing it right now, and this is not my skill set, like arts and crafts and stuff, and I don't want to mess it up because I don't have a lot of cardboard left. This is the picture I'm going off of. Okay, let's try. Oh boy. Let's try this again. Ready? Here we go. Look, it's okay, it's fine.
No, it's good.
Everyone stop pestering me.
It's just a coffee mug.
Hurts my heart. Yeah, this is pretty pastel.
Yeah, that one's gonna be more.
It's
okay,
fine. You guys, this is so hard. I'm not. Ugh. It doesn't even look like a cup. All right, guys, arts and crafts really stressed me out like a lot. It made me really sad. I got this whole piece of cardboard and I drew out my Luke sign, and then I tried crayon, and then I tried paint, and I just had to give up because it looks so stupid. But I'm gonna tell you about our Gilmore Girls party because I'm super excited. There's gonna be 14 of us. One more sleep until the party. So let me tell you about the origin of this first. About, let's see, like 5 years ago, I threw a Harry Potter themed party, and I joke but not joke that that was like the best night of my life because it was so much fun. My friend Beck and I threw it together, and everyone wore costumes, we did trivia, I had prizes, and we just had a great time. And this is gonna be slightly different because it's gonna be during the day because we've got children, and I think the dads are taking the kids to the river or something while we have the party here, and it's gonna be so fun. Of course, everyone has to wear a costume. I'm gonna be Luke, and you know, a big thing in Gilmore Girls is there's lots of junk food, so we're getting 24 vegan donuts. We are getting some vegan pizzas, which reminds me, I actually really need to call the pizza place. I have so much to do for my party. Okay, I think I need to call the pizza place. Oh, okay. And then I just have a couple questions because tomorrow I'm gonna place an order for like, I think 4 vegan pizzas. My friend Gabby is bringing her espresso machine, and we're gonna make coffees for everyone. And we will put these coffees in these like cups I got on Amazon. It's just a Luke's cup. Ah, it's gonna be fine. Everyone calm down. Why am I so stressed right now? I'm like feeling anxious about this party. It's just a Luke's cup with the lid. Boop. And so everyone will have coffee in there, although it's 100 degrees right now, so we might be doing a lot of iced coffees. And then we're also gonna have like popcorn and candy, all vegan obviously. And then I also ordered this thing on Amazon. It's just Chinese takeout boxes. We have donuts, we have pizza, we have chow mein, popcorn, candy, coffee. So Gilmore Girls, right? There is a costume contest, and there are prizes, and we're just gonna decide by vote. And then we have, oh my gosh, I can't believe this is tomorrow, guys. I'm so nervous and so excited. And then the main event is really the trivia. This is where people really get to show their chops. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go get the prizes. I will be right back. I'll show you guys. I think my calling is to put on themed parties because I am like butterflies and just full on, what's that word? Flow. Just feel creative, I feel happy, I feel flowy. So let me show you. This is an Inomnia Paratus bracelet, no, necklace. Inomnia Paratus little like poster, also purchased on Etsy. This is a Gilmore Girls like Stars Hollow map blanket. This is a Gilmore Girls Stars Hollow map puzzle. I think it's the same design, but it's in puzzle form. This I think is really cool. I kind of want to just get one for myself. This is a Luke's sweatshirt, a Luke's mug, 2 books that Rory like reads and mentions. Okay, what else are we doing? We might do a battle of the booze. It might be so dumb. I don't think we're gonna do that. Like Team Dean, Team Jess, Team Logan battle, but everyone's Team Jess? Like, come on. Who's Team Dean? Who's Team Logan? Who are you out there? For our decor ideas was a no cell phone sign, 1,000 yellow daisies, a Luke sign. Okay, I need to chill. I also need to go to Trader Joe's. La la, La la, la la. La la, la la, la la, best party ever. Truly, like, one of the best parties ever, next to my Harry Potter party. What themed party will I throw next? The trivia was so fun. I didn't play trivia because it's just not fair, because I would have won. I would have schooled everyone. And so yeah, I was the one leading it, and we brought prizes and we had like amazing junk food, but it was the time of my life, and I want to thank everyone who came to my party, especially those who have never seen the show and were just there because they love me, and a couple people who thought they knew the show. Not as much as I, or as much as Gabby and Kesley. There were like a handful of really hardcore fans, and I just really appreciated their energy. And Gabby and Kesley in particular did so much to help me throw this party. Gabby brought her espresso machine, and so Gabby, I know you're watching. Thank you. That was the best latte I've ever had in my life. Please come over and make me more, or I should go to your house, I guess. And Kesley brought over the vegan donuts, and oh my gosh, we just had the best time.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Put my hair up. Is that like cute?
Yes.
Yes. Why are there pieces of basket in my bed? This is a lot of books. Oh my gosh. I think I need to do a little purge. Or my husband got out a box of old clothes, because I've got 2 boys, so we're just saving everything until we're no longer having babies. And I am in desperate need. Oh, yes. Here's what we're gonna do. Yes, I need new jammies for Woody, but these are too small. This is too small. I'm not organized. So what is my method for child clothing organization? Whatever is not being used, I have a couple of bins in the garage, and I just throw them all in. There's absolutely no rhyme or reason to it. It's just whatever's not being used for either Cosmo or Woody is thrown in here. Is it inefficient? Yes. Does it make absolutely no sense? Yes. Does it make my life harder? Yeah, it does. So I found some jammies. I think I'm just a little disappointed because I like one-piece sort of zipper up footy pajamas, but I think I don't have those anymore at this age. I think I have to go to the 2-piece set. And I found this cute dude shirt. This is the shirt that Cosmo wore the day I gave birth to Woody. I just will always remember that. And my Harry Potter shirt. It's good enough.
What is that? Looks like a slide. Slide on it.
Never been so sure, quite so steady.
Here's what you need to know about me right now. I told you my baby's now kind of sort of sleeping through the night, right? Yeah, not so much anymore. So I night weaned him when he turned 1, and he was doing great and really caught on. And then he got a little fever for a few days. And of course, I'm not going to withhold milk when he's sick. So I nursed him all night for a few days. And then he got better, and he was thoroughly confused and has been incredibly determined not to let the night weaning happen again. You know, you give an inch, they take a mile. And then we've had visitors in town, so I can't like make too much noise at night when we've got people sleeping in the next room and they have kids of their own. And anyway, I was back to nursing him every hour or more. And then I was like, no, I cannot do this anymore. He wakes me up like every 45 minutes. So now we're kind of in the middle of night weaning again. And basically what I wanted to say is, if you are in the thick of trying to help your baby learn to sleep in a way that isn't traditional cried out sleep training, I feel you. It is not easy. I don't ever know what the right thing to do is, and sleep with babies is so hard. The other thing you need to know about me is that we have had so many visitors this summer and have more to come, and it's such a blast. And I am also getting a little pooped out, and don't tell anyone, but I'm kind of looking forward to the slowness of fall and winter. But yeah, don't tell anyone because I truly do love summer.
It's never been so sure, quite so steady.